What are you looking at, dog? Alright, so this is my 2017 Honda CRF 250L, and I'm already having problems with it. So, I've had this bike 3 months. I've only put 295 miles on it, and I usually keep it on the battery tender. And it was, but in the battery, I just checked the battery, it has 12 volts. So it might be the starter or something, because it shouldn't be like this. So the battery or starter is something electrical is not going on this bike right. And I only put 200 or 300 miles on it in 3 months, but that's not the point. And I keep it on the battery tender, so it should be just like fires right up. But what the fuck? I mean, pardon my French, but I'm kind of angry. Because I'm only here 4 or 5 days out of a month. I want to use this thing when I'm here, and I can't. So now I gotta take it in to get warranty work done on it, which is why I got the warranty, but you know, still ridiculous.